21 loads of corn today. Guess how many miles I drove? 21 loads of corn.
21? I'm gonna guess 9.5.
31 miles.
31?
You gotta count for going to the farm, coming from the farm to here.
How many bushels do you think we did there?
I don't know, 26,000?
26.9.
Wow, that's pretty close.
Yep, and Mike's combine said 27,000,
So he's wrong.
well, I'm thinking we got like halfway calibrated in now, so I was getting that.
That does sound a lot better.
Part of our nightly ritual, checking our return chain inside here. Make sure that's tight, and then our elevator chain. What else do we have up here?
There's 3 tighteners on this side.
Making sure they're
all good.
Make sure they're all within tolerance. She's nice and tight. She's good to go. Just doing some night fueling and maintenance. This thing drinks a lot of fuel every day.
Fueling!
I better go turn it on for you.
You haven't turned it on yet?
No. God, those lights are bright.
You said you had energy tonight, bro.
Putting on the old depth cap. Don't want to leave this off because that causes issues. Don't ask that one how we know.
Or 22, right? 2022.
It's actually,
Platinum.
you're mispronouncing it. It's called a lightning river, actually. If you know, you know. Shout out to that one guy on TikTok. Flashlight here, so.
The fuel side, DEF side. All the fuel pump runs on the PTO. DEF has its own pump. DEF tank's on the other side.
Yep. What do we got going on here? What are these?
2,500 gallons. This is tank number 1. Tank number 2. She's a dream. Start that side. 100 gallons. Brand new DEF pump. Runs like a dream.
Is there anything new that we need to see on the combine tonight? Or no?
Well,
Is there anything
different than last night?
Nothing new? No new marks or scars?
I don't think so.
Well, that's good. Oh, that's a lot of dust.
Sorry about that, bud. You should know better than that. Did I get you itchy?
I am very itchy, but at least I'll build a little character.
Hey, a little bit of character. She's pretty bad. Don't tell Mike.
I can show that or not.
This is good stuff. I don't know why this PTO shield can't stay on. So are we doing corn in the morning?
That's what it sounds like.
Beanhead's fixed though.
Gotta wait.
When the beanhead you asked? You don't want to know.
That's a story for this winter. This winter? Do you think that's a story for this winter?
Yeah.
It's kind of a technique you gotta. Multitask here. Are we telling everybody good night?
We'll see you in the morning.
Good night!